in this particular, in foreign affairs, I think it is important, and I insist it's important, that there should be interaction, and sincerely, the Speaker has to assist you. Assist and make sure that you meet the President so that you can get the opportunity to have a working time with the President.
Information, Honorable Minister, and you as a minister, unless you are saying you want to resign, so that another entity comes into picture. But as long as you are the state minister or you are the minister, you sit in cabinet. For us in the parliament, we interact with the ministry and the minister plus your PS. So it is your duty to follow up issues of diplomacy.
I have told you.
Madam Chair,
let me answer this.
I wanted to.
I have no qualm.
Let the minister
I have
conclude.
no qualms.
Let the minister conclude.
Write it and record it in capital letters, please. I have no qualms appearing above this committee in any committee. Let it be recorded. Madam, please, listen.
Clerk,
Write it in
the
capital.
minister wants you to record
Okello
the statement.
has no qualms. Okello has no qualms. Fear, or he feels intimidated to appear before any committee of any sort in this country and even outside this country. So if my shadow minister there, who is a shadow, feels that I fear him, or I fear this committee, please.
So what you want?
You're mistaken.
Don't direct us
You are mistaken.
to Mr. Museveni.
Madam Chair,
You must only commit to always come and answer this committee.
You do not understand. You do not understand how system works.
No.
I'm saying
I'm looking at procedures of parliament.
Madam Chair, can I say something?
Our rules of procedure are that the minister appears